Now we will see two new terms, mass and weight. What do you mean by mass? Mass means the amount of matter in any object. For example, consider us. Now our mass means how much skin is there, how much flesh is there, how much blood is there, how many bones are there. The entire this content, entire amount of matter is known as mass. Mass is expressed in kg, grams, but the SI unit of mass is kg. Mass is a scalar quantity, it does not have any direction, and mass remains same at all places. The amount of blood, the amount of skin, flesh what I am having in Mumbai, I will be having the same in Delhi. What I am having on earth, I will be having the same on moon also. My flesh and my blood are not going to increase. So mass remains the same at all places. Mass is a measure of inertia according to Newton's first law. Newton's first law you have studied last year, it is also known as law of inertia. So mass is a measure of inertia. Inertia is a property of a body to maintain that state of rest or of uniform motion. अगर एक बॉडी रुका हुआ है तो रुका ही रहेगा, अगर एक बॉडी चल रहा है तो चलता ही रहेगा जब तक कि somebody doesn't try to stop it, and that also it will try to resist because of inertia. Inertia is a property which helps it in resisting the change. Now more the mass, more the inertia, less the mass, less the inertia, and that is why we say that mass is a measure of inertia. Now let's see what is weight. Now weight is defined as the force by which the earth attracts you. The force by which the earth attracts any body is known as the weight of that body. And the SI unit of the weight is Newton. If you are saying that your weight is 60 kg, it is wrong. Actually, it is 60 Newton. Weight is a vector quantity because the weight of any body acts in the direction of gravity, that is downwards. So since it is having a direction, it is a vector quantity, and weight is going to change with respect to place because it is the force by which the earth is attracting, and we have seen that earth's force is changing everywhere. At the equator it is different, G is different, at the poles it is different, and when you go to another planet, again that force of attraction by that planet is different, so again your G is different. So your weight changes with respect to place because of the change in G. Now let us go further. Let us see the relation between mass and weight. Now weight is given by the formula mass into Earth's gravitational acceleration, that is G, that is W is equal to M into G. Now see the RHS, now the G changes from place to place, right? Because this G changes, that is why W changes. The change in G makes W change. M is not going to change. So whenever we are comparing any two things in their weight, what we are actually comparing? We are comparing their masses. Because G at one particular place for two objects is going to be same. So what we are comparing? We are comparing the masses. When we are comparing weights, actually we are comparing the masses. दुकानदार अगर वो बीम बैलेंस में दो चीज़ों को रखता है तो क्या चेक कर रहा है, दोनों का क्या कंपेयर कर रहा है? Not the weights. He is comparing the masses because G is going to be same for them, both of them. What is going to be different is their masses. So whenever we compare weights, we are comparing masses. Now there is a question asked over here on page number 10. Will your weight remain constant as you go above the surface of the earth? No, the weight will go on changing as the value of G changes. And suppose you are standing on a tall ladder, if your distance from the center of the earth is 2r, what will be your weight? So how is your F going to change? How is your G going to change? G is equal to Gm upon R square. Now your R will become 2R. So 2R square means 4R square. 2R whole square, that is 4R square. So this becomes Gm upon 4R square. So G will become 1/4. So your weight will also become 1/4. That is, if you are 40 kg, then your weight will be only 10 kgs. 40 divided by 4. That's it with the mass and weight. We have finished the explanation till the page number 10. The first part where the mass and weights are different, just before the solved example.